Now we'll move. Now we'll check the divisibility of 9 now. Okay, to check the divisibility of 9, okay, what I should do here, the condition, what is the rules, okay, to check divisibility of 9, to check divisibility of 9, we should add digits of that number if the resultant sum means answer of that sum, if the resultant sum is multiple of 9, that means the whole number is divisible by 9. Okay, what, okay, for example, first number I will take 128. Okay, to check the divisibility of 9 for this number, I should add the digits plus. Okay, what, 1 plus 2 plus 8, how much it will become? What, 11, it will become 11. This is what resultant sum, okay, this is what resultant sum. Okay, now I need to check this resultant sum is a multiple of 9. No, okay, 11 is not multiple of 9, right? That's why the number 128 is not divisible by 9. Understood? Okay, what I did here to check the divisibility of 9, first I added all the digits. I got the resultant sum, what, 11. Okay, now next step is what, I need to check this 11 is a multiple of 9 or not. When I check that one, 11 is not a multiple of 9. So what I concluded here, I concluded that if the resultant sum is not a multiple of 9, means the whole number is also not a multiple, not divisible by 9. Okay, 128 we have checked. Now we'll move for next number, what is 990. Okay, so to check the divisibility of 9, I need to add the digits. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 0 is 18. Is it divisible by 9? Yes, it is divisible by 9. That's why 990 is divisible by 9. Okay, so we'll move the next number now. What is that? 1586. To check the divisibility of 9, I need to add the digits. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus is 8, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. I got the resultant sum 20. Okay, now I need to check this resultant sum is a multiple of 9 or not. No, 20 is not there in 9 table. That's why the whole number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so what is next number now? 275. Next number is what? The next number is what? 275. So I need to add the numbers. 2 plus 7 plus 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. Now I need to check 14 is a multiple of 9 or not. No, right? No. 14 is not a multiple of 9. That's why the whole number 275 is also not divisible by 9. Okay. Now we'll move for next number 6686. Okay. 6686. Add these digits. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Okay, this is first step. What is first step to check the divisibility of 9? First step is what? I need to add the digits of this number. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Second step is what? I need to check this digits sum is multiple of 9 or not. 26 is not a multiple of 9 because 26 is not there in 9 table. That's why the whole number is also not divisible by 9. So 6686 is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so we will move for next number now. What is next number? 639210. What? 639210. 639210. First step, I will add the digits 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. 21. Okay, now I have to check this 21 is a multiple of 9 or not. But this is not a multiple of 9. When the sum of the digits is not a multiple of 9, that means that whole number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so we'll move for next number now. 4,29,714. 4,29,714. First step, I'll add the digits. 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4. Whatever answer we will get. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. This is first step. What is second step? I need to check this is a multiple of 9 or not. Yes, this is a multiple of 9. Right? No. 27 is a multiple of 9. 9 3 is a 27. That's why the whole number, when the sum of the digits is multiple of 9, then this whole number is divisible by 9. That's why this number is divisible by 9. Okay. Next number. We will check next number now. 2856. What is first step? Add digits. 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6. What answer I will get here? I need to check that one. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Again 21 means here it is not the multiple of 9. Here is also not the multiple of 9. 21. That's why this number is not divisible by 9. Okay. We'll move for next number. 3060. Add the digits. 3 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0. Answer is 9. Next, second step, I need to check it is a multiple of 9 or not. Yes, it is a multiple of 9. That's why it is divisible by 9. Next number, we'll consider next number now. 4 plus 406,839. First step, I need to add the digits. 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. I got answer 30. Now I need to check the 30 is the multiple of 9 or not. Okay, when I check that one, 30 is not a multiple of 9. That's why it is not divisible by 9. I hope you people understood how to check the divisibility of 9 now. Okay, I will tell you rules again. To check the divisibility of 9, okay, if the sum of the digits is multiple of 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. If the sum of not divisible by 9, a multiple of 9, then the whole number is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next number is very easy. It should contain the last digit should be 0. Then only the number is divisible by 10. Last digit 8 is there, that's why it is not divisible by 10. Last digit 0 is there, that's why it is divisible by 10. Again last digit not 0 is there, 0 is again last digit 5 is there, no. Again last digit is 6 is there, no. Right? Again the last digit is 0 means it is divisible by 10. The last digit 4 it is not divisible by 10. The last digit is 6, not divisible by 10. The last digit is 0, it is divisible by what? It is divisible by 10. The last digit is 9, that's why it is not divisible by 10. To check the divisibility of test, we need to check the last digit is 0 or not. If the last digit of the number is 0, then the whole number is divisible by. Okay students, now we will move for next number. That means what? The divisibility of 11. In concept part also, I have not explained you what is the divisibility of 11 and how to check it. Okay, today I will explain you, and I am taking the examples also. I will explaining how to check that one. Okay, so first we will see the rules of that divisibility of 11. Okay, what is the rules here? The difference between even places of digits and odd places of digits is of a number here. Digits of a number is multiple of 11 or 0, then the whole number is divisible by 11. See students, I will take one number here, 2856. One number is there, right? Here this is in first place, this is in second place, this is in third place, this is in fourth place, right? Here 2 and 5 are in odd places, because 1 and this is in first place, this is in third place, means these two are odd places. 2 and 4 places are even places, right? Here 2 and 5 are in odd places, right? Because 1 and first and third, these are in even places, because they are there in second and fourth places. Okay, so what is the rules? The sum of even places, which numbers are there in which digits are there in even places, right? 8 plus 6, right? And minus sum of odd digits, places digits. Okay, 2 plus 5. Okay, we should add now. 8 plus 6 is 14, minus 2 plus 5 is 7. What I am getting here? 7. I am getting what here? 7. So whatever, when I minus here both, and what the result I will get here, it should be 11 or 0. If here what happens, this is not this is not multiple of 11 also, and it is not 0 also. That's why this the number 2856 is not divisible by 11. Not divisible by 11. Why we have checked them? The sum of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits is that means what? The difference between the sum of even places digits and the sum of odd places digits is not a multiple of 11 and or 0. That's why it is not divisible by what? 11. So we will take here first question now, 128. Okay, which are there in even places? This one, this is there in a even place, and 1 and 8 there in odd places, right? So the sum of odd places and the even place, 9 minus 2, 7. I got 7. So it is not a multiple of 11 also, and it is not a 0 also. That's why 128 is not divisible by 128 is not divisible by 11. Okay, so we'll go for next one now, 990. Okay, we'll check now 990. Check now 990. What is the sum of odd digits? 1 plus 0. Odd digits 9 plus 0, and minus this is the sum of odd place digits, right? And the even place digits, only one number is there, right? So 9 minus 9, answer is 0. This is divisible. 990 divisible by 11, because the difference between the odd places digits of the number and the even place digits of the number is 0. That's why it is divisible by 11. Okay, I hope you people are getting very confused in this one, but what to do, the rules is like that, we have to solve like that only. Okay, we'll move for next number now. 1586. 1586. Okay, 1 and 8 is in odd place, 5 and 6 are in even places. So we'll add now even place 5 plus 6 minus 1 plus 6, right? 1 plus 6, sorry, 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. What is this? This is what the sum of the difference between the sum of even place digits and the odd place digits. What is here? 6 plus 11 minus 8 plus 1 is 9. What answer we are getting here? 2. 2 is not a multiple of 11 and it is not a 0 also. That's why this 1586 is not divisible by 11. So it is not divisible by 11. Okay, so we'll move next number now. 275. 275. These are odd places. Only one is even place, right? 2 plus 5 minus 7. 7 minus 7. We are getting 0 here. So when the difference between the even place digits and the odd place digits is 0, then the number is divisible by 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, when the difference between even place digits and the odd place digits is a multiple of 11 or 0, then the whole number is divisible by 11. If the resultant, the difference between the even place digits and the odd place digits is not a 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is not divisible by 11. Okay, last one I will show you. Last one remaining you have to do. Okay, I hope you people will solve that one. This is a little bit just like interesting also. 639210. Okay, which are here odd place digits? 1, 9 and 1, right? Sorry, 6, 9, 1. These are odd place digits. Odd place digits. Which are even place digits? 3, 2, 0. These are even place digits. Now we need to check the difference between the even place digits and the odd place digits. What is that even place digits? 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 minus 6 plus 9 plus 1. What is this? Sum of even place digits. What is this? Sum of odd place digits, right? So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 0 is 5 minus 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. It's 16. So which is big number? 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. See now, we got 11 here. 11 is a multiple of 11. That's why this number, which number? 6,39,210 is divisible by 11, because the difference of sum of even place digits and the sum of odd place digits is a multiple of 11. That's why the whole number is divisible by 11. So I hope you people are understood now. For your practice, I left these all the numbers. For your practice, I left these all the numbers. You should practice it home. Okay, little bit interesting and little bit tricky also, but try to solve this one. it will become very easy for you, and you will feel interesting also. Thank you students, take care, bye bye. Remaining five questions of that exercise you should solve. I hope you will solve that one. Remaining all are based on these concepts only. For your practice only I left that one. Okay, thank you students, bye bye.